In human body, there is a pair of filtration and excretory organs. They are called kidneys. The filtration function of the kidneys occurs in about 1 million spherical structures, and these spherical structures are called glomeruli. Under normal conditions, the plasma protein in the glomerular capillaries is controlled by the intact filtration barrier and goes along with blood flow. Only micromolecular substances such as metabolites of normal organism, creatinine, and micromolecular protein can go through the filtration barrier into renal capsular space. And then be passed out with urine. Pathological changes in different parts of the kidney lead to different pathological types of kidney disease. IgA nephropathy is a glomerular disease that is characterized by IgA immune complexes depositing on glomerular mesangial areas, leading to proliferation of mesangial cells and mesangial matrix. The main clinical manifestation is hematuria. Proteinuria may also occur in some cases. IgA nephropathy, infection of respiratory tract, urinary tract, and intestinal mucosa can cause mucosal bone marrow acid dysfunction so as to produce abnormal immunoglobulin A1. As antigen, abnormal immunoglobulin A1 stimulates immune system to produce corresponding antibodies. The combination of antigen and antibodies generates immunoglobulin A immune complexes. At the same time, abnormal immunoglobulin A1 has self-aggregation ability, which is easy to form immunoglobulin A1 multimers. Immunoglobulin A1 immune complexes and multimers can go into kidneys with blood circulation and deposit onto glomerular mesangial cells, activating mesangial cells so as to lead to proliferation of mesangial cells and mesangial matrix. The activated mesangial cells release various cytokines and inflammatory mediator to activate endothelial cells. After this activation, connections between endothelial cells widen and red blood cells are close to endothelial cells and are rolling, adherent, and deformation in the edge. While the broadening endothelial cell feature and some fractured basement membrane, red blood cells reach renal capsule. During the process through renal tubular, red cells will have various types of deformation, leading to hematuria. There are three main manifestations of hematuria. First, the deformation rate of red blood cells in urine is over 80%. Second, the deformation forms of red blood cells is over 3. Third, among the abnormal red blood cells, spur shape or spinous shape of red blood cells is over 5%. In IgA nephropathy, obvious proliferation of mesenchymal cells and mesenchymal matrix were observed under light microscope. Electron-dense deposits in the mesenchymal region are observed under electron microscope. Mass IgA deposits along the glomerular mesenchymal region.
Hello everyone, this is the nephrologist online video consultation of Peking Tung Shin Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine. I'm the host Austin. Welcome to this broadcast program, and we also welcome our Professor Zhang Bing to introduce the knowledge for us.
朋友们大家好，上一次呢我们讲了 IgA 肾病为什么会久治不愈，那么这次我们主要讲的就是我们会怎样治疗这个 IgA 肾病。
Last time we talked about why IgA nephropathy is not entirely cured for a long time. This time our topic is how do we treat IgA nephropathy?
那么我们呢主要是使用中医的清毒来治疗 IgA 肾病。它的治疗特色就是清理体内的毒素，调控异常的细胞因子的表达。
We mainly use traditional Chinese medicine detoxification in the treatment of IgA nephropathy, which is characterized by cleaning the toxins of body and regulating the expression of abnormal cytoxin.
那么主要呢是通过以下3个方面来清毒的。
Mainly, we do the detoxification through the following 3 aspects.
那么首先呢是化毒，也就是益气清热以化毒。化解的呢，主要是热毒。
The first step is to dissolve toxins. To dissolve toxins by tonifying qi and cleaning heat toxins dissolved in mainly heat toxins.
肾脏的固有细胞受到了毒素的侵害，那么产生了炎症因子，像白介素，细胞呢就出现红、热、肿等热毒的状态。那么细胞内分解毒素的酶类活性降低，就出现大量的氧自由基等毒素。通过使用清热解毒的这个中药，它释放的抗炎因子，像白介素10和白介素1结合，并消除它。同时呢，提高了细胞内酶类的活性，细胞内的氧自由基等毒素被分解，肾脏的固有细胞的热毒状态就逐渐消失。肾脏固有细胞它就逐渐的恢复了正常状态。
The renal inherent cells were damaged by toxins which produced the inflammatory factor, interleukin. Cells appear red, hot, swelling, and other thermotoxic states. The SMA activity of intracellular detoxification was decreased. A large number of oxygen-free radicals and other toxins appear through the use of herbal medicine of heat cleaning and detoxification. The anti-inflammatory factor interleukin-10, which is released by the herbal medicine, can combine with interleukin-1 and eliminate it. At the same time, improve the activity of SMAs in the cell. Intracellular oxygen-free radicals and other toxins are broken down. The state of heat toxins of renal inherent cells gradually disappear. Renal inherent cells recover back to normal state.
那么其次呢，就是驱毒，补肾活血呢以驱毒，驱散的呢主要是淤毒和封毒。毒素淤积在肾脏的毛细血管壁和肾脏的固有细胞，使肾脏呢出现了缺血缺氧的状态。通过使用补肾活血的中药，使肾脏呢部分排毒的功能恢复，毛细血管的血液得到流通。 缓解了肾脏缺血缺氧的状态，恢复了肾脏本身的驱毒能力。
The second is dispelling toxins. Dispel toxins by reinforcing kidney and activating blood. And the toxins dispelled are mainly stasis toxins and wind toxins. Toxins disposition in the renal capillary wall and the renal inner cells cause the kidney ischemia and hypoxia. Through the use of Chinese traditional medicine of reinforcing kidney and activating blood, restoring the function of part of kidney to excrete toxins, promotes the blood capillary circulation, relieves the renal ischemia and hypoxia, oxygen deficit, restored the kidney's ability of dispelling toxins.
那么最后呢，就是排毒，行气通络以排毒，排解的呢主要是湿毒，肾脏内的毒素通过化毒和驱毒的过程转变为小分子的物质。那么小分子的物质呢，部分通过皮下毛细血管进入汗腺，随汗液排出；那么部分呢，通过肾小球进入肾小管，随尿液排出；还有一部分呢，通过血液进入肠道，随粪便排出。
The final discharging toxins. Discharge toxins by promoting qi circulation and removing obstruction in the collaterals. The toxins discharged are mainly dam toxins. The toxins in the kidney are transformed into small molecular substance through the process of dissolving toxins and dispelling toxins. Some of these substances enter the sweat glands through the subcutaneous capillaries and are excreted with sweat. Some of them enter the renal septum through the glomerulus and are excreted in the urine. Some of them go into the intestines through blood and are discharged with stools.
通过以上的3个过程呢，就能够将体内的这个毒素清理干净，恢复肾小球的细膜细胞、内皮细胞和足细胞的功能，血尿、淡白尿转阴，高血压恢复。那么我们能够治疗到什么程度呢？我们可以使尿潜血、尿蛋白转阴。
Through the 3 processes above, the toxins in the body can be cleaned up. The function of glomerular mesangial cells, endothelial cells, and food cells can be restored. The hematuria proteinuria can become negative, and hypertension can be recovered. To what extent can we treat it? We can make urine, occult blood, and proteinuria become negative.
如果在治疗上呢，还有什么没有明白的，请直接联系我们。感谢朋友的收看，下次再见。
If there's anything not clear in the treatment, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching. See you next time.